D.LAB is now at Hong Kong Electronics Fair, Spring Edition, 2025. It's our third day here and already, the energy is incredible. Factories and innovators from across China have gathered to showcase the latest in high-technology products from smart home gadgets to next-gen wearables and everything in between. It's truly inspiring to see the dedication and innovation pouring into the future of consumer electronics. Let's connect. Join the D.LAB community and stay updated on all the cool things we're doing. We can be your partners for both B2B and B2C opportunities. Locate us at Level 5 Startup Zone 5CON-S62. Let's connect. Join the D.LAB community and stay updated on all the cool things we're doing.
D.LAB Design Laboratories.